This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 7 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Accept others the way they are. You cannot change other people. To change them to fit what you want them to be is like trying to change a dog into a cat or a cat into a horse. They are what they are, and you are what you are. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials up 328. NASDAQ up 49. S&P's up 45. That's a gain inside the NASDAQ composite, folks, of 2.5%. 1.2 inside the S&Ps and 0.7% inside the Dow Industrials. Gold contract up $1, trading at $17.22 an ounce. We got silver up 6 cents, $26.16 an ounce. Light sweet crude up $1.66, $66.11 a barrel. Notes and bonds. 10-year note up 2 ticks right now, 132.19. The 30-year down 9 at 157.28. And King dollar. King dollars get fall through to the downside out here, down 402 ticks, 91.420. There is divergence here, no doubt, because gold basically is going to need more volume. As it's going to higher price, you really get a flat market in gold, yet the dollar's pulling back. The euro is at 119, the yen is at 108.48, and the British pound is at 139 to 1 US dollar. Our phone number is 877-927-6648, and I will get those charts up for you right there. There we go. Bingo. Let's get over and take a look at the S&P. So what do we have inside this market here? Well, you get a Thursday running into Friday, and what I expect you're going to see out here is that run is going to continue. You're going to get a little run into the close out here. Right now, the SPYs are up $4.62. You're trading at $394.24, and that's over the high. Bottom line, the longer this can stay over the high right now, even intraday, the more pressure it's going to be, buying pressure inside of the markets. If we go take a look at the Dow Industrials, what you have inside the Dow Industrials is that you not only have broken out, you're quite a way away from the breakout area. So what that is saying is this. That is saying that the S&P also is going to break topside and break out. That being said, and the X100, whole different animal, man. Whole different animal. Doesn't mean that to me, what is happening here is that I suspect the Qs are going to try to basically first get through their resistance. And it's going to be very tough to get through here because what has happened is this, is that the Qs, folks, came down hard and fast, have volume on the way down, nice snapback, no doubt about that. My take is that this is going to be in a consolidation. That being said, you can see the kind of flack that we're into. And the contraction today is pretty dramatic. There's no doubt. Now, that tells me, though, that, okay, 323, 324 is the top of where most of this flack is coming from. The bottom of that flack started at 310. It raced right through 310. So that's telling me flat out that we are going to go to the top of it. We'll see how that shakes out. That being said, the highs inside the Qs are 338, and I'm looking at 324. So we'll see how this shakes out the next couple of days. But I do expect you're going to have a continuation tomorrow right into this area. We got to take a look at the gold contract out here. Gold contract have 193,000 contracts, which is decent contract volume. That being said, guess what? We need more volume. We need more price spread. 1722 is where we're at. I suspect we're going to, 1771 is where you're going to commit to some flack, and we'll see how we get there. The GDX. We go take a look at the GDX out here. What's going to get interesting on the GDX is this. Oh, this is interesting. Okay, so it's popping even, this last hour in the GDX is going to be a big deal. The reason being, folks, is this, is that when we went up on Tuesday, you had some decent volume. We had 26 million. You're only at 14 million right now. So the bottom line is that I want to see that baby get up until at least the 20 million. Now, that's going to be tough to do. That being said, what does happen inside the GDX is that the biggest trades come in at the end of the day. That's how the GDX trades like the IWM. the sponsors of evidently the GDX as well as the IWM. Basically, that's how they have it set up, and in order to basically get to net asset value. So we'll see what the volume comes in at the end of the day. We're going to take a look at the note and bond market. What we have with the note and bond market is that you got a flat market. You are building cause for higher price. My take is that we've bottomed out inside of the note and bond market. Right now, you got the 10 years trading up 2 ticks. We are out here at 132.19. It's going to take quite a bit. I mean, it's going to take quite a bit to get to the downdraft. When you get a downdraft like we had on the 25th of February, that's when that 10-year went from that 134 level to 132 level. You can't expect that you're going to eat right through that. You know, bottom line, it's going to be choppy. It's going to be a sideways move, back and forth, driving everyone basically out of their minds. Some of the higher volume equities out here today, you get GE down at $1.17. As we've been saying for a long time, GE is toast, man. There's nothing behind GE. They've been basically selling everything off. You know, even the cooking of the books, that whole deal is not over. And now what you have with GE is that you came off the highs with monster volume. So we're $12 here. Next leg down somewhere around 1064. And if you break 1064, then GE is going to be in big trouble. We have Ford Motor Company is down $11. You get Advanced Micro up $4. Let's go take a look at a couple of chip stocks. So you get Advanced Micro coming off the bottom. Okay, so that's going to be a consolidation. That's up $4. Volume's not bad. Let's go to Walmart for a second, because Walmart came off the bottom yesterday, and these checks are going to be, Walmart's going to get a lot of these checks. So Walmart's flat. You know, I mean, if you're looking for a trade for a few days, folks, I'd be all over Walmart for 2 different reasons. Okay, what happens with Walmart is this: is that Walmart did a natural retracement, came back to its breakout area, you know, and to me does want higher price. On top of the stimulus checks coming out, guess what? When you have the largest store in the world and you have just distributed $1,400 to just about everyone in the United States, guess what? Business is going to be very brisk in the next 20 days. Stay right there, folks.